Alright, welcome to Miss Nelson's YouTube video. What we've got here is we've got question number 1. You are comparing to go from here to here. What happened? To go from here to here. What happened? Times 9. Number 2, gallons to cups. Okay, so use your conversion chart. There are, for 1 gallon, it's 4 quarts. For 1 quart, it's 2 pints. For 1 pint, it's 2 cups. There are 3 feet in 1 yard. Okay, so that's how we got our answer there. Number 4, all you have to do is add 3 hours, 15 minutes to that. Again, 3 feet in 1 yard. Just evaluate the expression. You get 7. Just evaluate the expression. You get 31. Remember, when your 2 numbers add up to be something that can be divided by 3, that means that this 51 is divisible by 3. So we divide 51 by 3 and you get 3 and 17 are your 2 factors for that number. Those are both prime numbers as well. This is an isosceles triangle because 2 angles are congruent. So that means the opposite sides are congruent. Remember, there are 180 degrees in a triangle. So I add up to 2 angles that I do know, 32 and 39. And I subtract what I get from 180 to get my 3rd angle. Remember, base times height. Area equals feet squared in this case. Remember, area equals 1/2 base times height. Again, area equals base times height on this one. How did I go from 3 to 6? I added 3, 2 to 5, I added 3, 1 to 4, I added 3. That's why it's n plus 3. Read what it says and write what it says. It says x is, so x equals. Okay. Solve the equation. So I solve by subtracting 4 from both sides. Move 5 units, so I move it 5 units. Remember, open circle is either this symbol or that symbol. And now you have to decide, is it bigger than or less than? Well, which way is it shaded? Solve. I subtract 27 from both sides. I start with 212 is where I'm trying to get to, and I started with the 88 degrees. So how do I go from 88 to 212? I subtract to find out the difference. 21, solve the equation. I add 7 on both sides. 22, solve the equation. Divide by 10 on both sides. What is point D? Remember, quadrant 1 is positive, positive. 2 is negative, positive. 3 is negative, negative. 4 is positive, negative. Those are your x and y values for each of the quadrants. Meaning if you have a negative, negative xy, you know it goes in quadrant 3. Follow the C. 1, 2, 3. And that would make that 4. All right, there you go.